This is the Hot Wheels Premium Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. So this was a 3-liter V6, I believe. Really popular. Another very popular car that you saw a lot of on the road in the 90s. And I actually never really liked it, to be honest. I like it now because of what's happened to the car scene and the car culture. I've really come to appreciate the old cars. So at the time, I didn't really care for this car too much. And, you know, to be honest, it was fairly fast, but it was a bit bulky, a bit heavy. I didn't like it that much. I didn't like the design that much. But in retrospect, now that you think about it, it's actually pretty cool because cars now they just don't make them like this anymore. So immediately out of the, let me zoom in, immediately out of the bubble, look at that. What is this? So this is Hot Wheels Premium. That doesn't look very premium. And check this out. So there's damage here. It's like all scraped up. So you could see here, the paint is not right. So unfortunately, because the Hot Wheels scene has turned into such a mess, it's such a mess now. I've met some good people, you know, who collect Hot Wheels, but there are so many bad actors, a lot of scumbaggery going on. Unfortunately, I have to suspect that this was returned. So this actually, somebody bought it and they damaged it on both sides, and then they bought another one and replaced it. They have a way of doing that, right? So I'm not good with these cards. I always completely butcher them, but there are people who know how to like take the blister off and then replace it. It is possible that it arrived like this from the factory, but as I said, because the Hot Wheels scene has turned into such a mess, it's also possible that you know, this was damaged by a lot of people. You know, they don't open their cars, so they might have been counting on me not taking it out of the bubble, and then they figured, oh, you know, we could get away with putting this back in there, but this is too much. So I, like with certain blemishes and marks, I'm not that picky. I myself drop my cars, but this is a bit too much. Like, this is just very, very ugly. I'll see if I can fix it somehow. And I'm definitely not really returning it. I mean, I've already taken it out of the packaging. Let me just make this very quick. What was I saying? Yeah, here's the top, right? This was, it came in this. And there's also a convertible. If anyone remembers, if anyone's as old as I am, you would see them on the road sometimes. Here is, the wheels are pretty interesting. Here's the side view. Here's the other side. Here is the front. Pretty cool. Good detail. Looks nice. And my favorite part. My favorite part is always when everything is painted in the back. ZX Turbo there. You have the rubber tires, and then you have the plate, which is black, and I like it. I like this color. Now I'm gonna see if I can fix this somehow and make it look a little better.